Hi, welcome back. We are going to cover date and time functions in this module. As you know, date and time are very important aspects of any business. So Excel has lot of functions which cater to date and time. In Excel, the dates can be shown in various format. So as an example, this is a format wherein you have DD, month, YY. You have here weekdays available. Here we have December, the month is in full. Here we have one version. Here we have one version wherein date is here, month is here. Here month and this is the date. Right? So Excel just shows this date in different format. However, internally Excel stores the date in a number. Okay. So as an example, if I copy this value, okay, so see this, the date I had copied from here and I had pasted it here as value. When I pasted at value, it is coming as 40167. So how does Excel decide that December 2009 will have a value of 40167? So to explain this, I will say Excel has assigned value of 1, 2, 3 like that to dates. What is this value of 1? If I convert this format to date format, you see value of 1 is Sunday, January 1, 1900. So the very first date in Excel is stored as value 1 and that very first date is January 1, 1900. If I convert this to the date format, you can guess it will be January 2. So the date values are increasing 111 and dates will be increasing 111. So you can see that 40167 means this is the 40,167th day from January 1, 1900. Now there is, as of now, you cannot store a value of 0. Okay, so 0 if you convert into date, you see it is January 1900. It doesn't make any sense because the January cannot be 00. And if you put -1, actually there is no value here. The date is all positive, 1, 2, 3, etc. Right? And the first date is January 1, 1900.